In this video, I'll be showing you how to make all calls go to voicemail on iPhone. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. But anyways, getting into it, it's very simple to go ahead and do this. So what you want to do is swipe down on the top right of your screen on any iPhone you have. Then in the middle, you're going to see that focus icon. Go ahead and click that, and you're going to be on Do Not Disturb mode. However, you're not going to get notifications for anything, including texts or app notifications either. So what you can do is long press on it and make a custom focus where you can only basically make all voicemails go over, make all calls go to voicemail. What you can also do is go ahead and open up your settings application, then go all the way down to apps at the very bottom. From here, go ahead and find your phone application. So mine's going to be within phone, obviously on P. Go ahead and click on that, scroll down, and you're going to see a lot of different options, but you're going to see screen unknown callers. Switch it from never to silence. And once you do that, it says calls from unsaved numbers will be silenced, sent to voicemail, and displayed on the recents list. Calling and data rates may apply. And that's it, you'll be good to go. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. And also, be sure to check out all our other tutorials that we've been posting on the channel as well, because there is a lot to go through, and you might find something you didn't know about yet.